students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So first question is, when a silk rod is rubbed with a silk cloth, what will happen? So our options are option A, silk cloth will lose electron to the glass rod. Option B, glass rod will lose electron to a silk cloth. And our option C, glass rod will acquire negative charge. And option D, silk acquires a positive charge. So our correct option here is option B. The glass rod will lose electron to the silk cloth. The glass rod has natural tendency of losing an electron, and a silk cloth has natural tendency of gaining an electron. So B option is correct. Let's see other options as well. Option D is silk acquires positive charge. No, we saw that silk has a natural tendency of gaining the electrons. If it is gaining an electron, it will become a negatively charged. So option D is incorrect. Option C, glass rod acquire negative charge. No, glass rod is losing electron. So if something is losing negative charge, it will gain a positive charge. So option C is also incorrect. Or option A is silk cloth will lose electron to the glass rod. No, it's incorrect. The other way around is correct. So this is also, so the correct option is option B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.